As we continue with our performance, we are excited to present a special skit titled Do Not Misuse Your Freedom. This performance will remind us that freedom is a precious gift, one that should be cherished and used wisely.
I agree, Enme. True, freedom is not doing whatever you please, but in doing what is right and just.
In our skit, you will see the lives of individuals who misuse their freedom and the consequences they face. Through their stories, we hope to inspire you to value the freedom which was won for us with so much sacrifice.
Before the curtains rise on this exciting performance, let us transport ourselves into the world of short play entitled Don't Misuse Your Freedom.
Now, skit by senior boys and girls.
A warm good morning and happy independence to all. We all know about independence, how we got, those who fight for us, but we often forgot the real pain of our freedom fighters.
Freedom fighter often faces immense challenges, both physical and emotional. Their journey is not just about the battle against oppression, but also about the internal and external sacrifices they make along the way.
By highlighting this pain, we can better appreciate the freedom we can enjoy today and honor those who made it possible. Let's see their pain in brief.
Scene 1, Priya's house.
Priya, are you ready? Is your bag ready to go college?
Yes, Ma. Where's my lunchbox?
Here it is.
Thank you, Ma. Bye.
Bye.
Hi guys. Hi Priya, how are you?
I am good. What about you guys?
We all are fine.
Hey, why do not we skip the class and we go out?
Yeah, that's a great idea. No, I'm not interested. If my parents see means everything will be finished.
Hey, don't worry. No one will see us.
Yeah, come along with us.
Pani puri, pani puri. Hey, see, there is a pani puri shop.
Oh, wow. Come, let's go.
Yeah. Bhaiya, give more spicy.
More spicy, bhaiya.
Take, here's the money of my part.
Yeah, take this.
Hey guys, why don't we go to a concert?
Oh, wow. That is great idea.
Hey guys, it's too late. We should go home now.
Okay, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Hi, Grandpa.
Oh Priya, what is the time now? You have supposed me to come on 4 o'clock, but now it's 6 o'clock. Why are you late? Where did you go?
Actually, Grandpa, do you know one thing? We skipped the class and went to the concert.
Oh no, it is too wrong.
Why, Grandpa? That's my freedom.
No dear, you are misusing your freedom.
I do not think so.
Do you know how we got this freedom?
No, Grandpa.
What? Let me tell you, we have many freedom fighters, each of them a struggle to save this country in their own way. They face many common struggles such as emotionally, physically and chronologically. Do you know about Gandhiji and Quit India movement?
No, Grandpa.
What? Let me show you.
Mahatma Gandhi was the leader who guided India towards independence by non-violence. Gandhi's contribution to the India freedom cannot be measured in words.
During the Second World War, Gandhiji was determined to strike the British Empire with definitive blow that would secure their exit from India. British started criticizing Indians for war. Gandhiji protested strongly and said that the Indians cannot be involved in a war that is in favor of democratic purpose where India itself is not a free country. Let's see in brief.
Scene 2. The Quiet India Movement.
Hey man, we want your Indian soldier for World War II.
No, we can't.
Why?
We people are struggling for our freedom. Then how we will help you?
How dare you to talk with me like that?
Don't fight, don't fight. Come and sit, don't fight.
Please, ma'am.
There were protests, strikes and violence all over. The British arrested Gandhiji and many leaders. The movement continued. The Quiet India movement showed the British that Indians were determined to get freedom. It put pressure on British and helped India eventually gain independence in 1947.
And Priya, do you know about Rani Lakshmi Bai?
Maybe she's just a lady.
Yes, being a lady, she sacrificed her life for our country.
Being a woman,
Yes, come and see.
Scene 3. Death of Rani Lakshmi Bai. Rani Lakshmi Bai, the Queen of Jhansi, was one of the most prominent figure in the Indian rebellion 1857 against British rule bravery. Here is a scene how she fight for her own land.
Hey you, young lady, leave your kingdom to us and go away.
no, never. Until my death, you can't get my land.
Now it's time for your death. You idiot Indians.
Oh no, that much suffering seeing the young woman give her life for us.
Yes, dear. Have you heard about Subhash Chandra Bose?
Yes, Grandpa, he is the one who created our Indian army.
Yes.
Bose's vision for Indians' freedom was more radical and militaristic than the violent civil disobedience approach advocated by Gandhiji. He believed that only an armed struggle could overthrow British rule.
Give me blood and I will give you freedom.
Give me blood and I will give you freedom.
Bose's vision for Indians' freedom was more radical and militaristic than the non-violent civil disobedience approach by Gandhiji. He believed that only an armed struggle could overthrow the British rule.
Yes, without seeing blood, we can't see freedom. So give me blood and I will give you freedom. Jai Hind. Jai Hind.
So many blood were given for us, Priya. Do you know one thing? We all have seen leaders struggle, pain, effort and hard work. But so many lives were wasted. Some of the people lost their father, mother and husband. See.
No one is there for me. How can I live? How can I take care of her?
Papa, where did you go?
Don't worry, my child. Your father and my husband died for our nation. Don't worry. Proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind.
With all of this sacrifice, we got freedom.
Sorry, Grandpa. That much loss we have faced. I am wrong. Hereafter, I will not misuse my freedom.
Okay, dear. God bless you.
Each and everyone should understand how freedom is important.
True freedom comes with responsibility. It requires us to respect of others, act with integrity, and contribute positively to society. By doing so, we honor the sacrifices made by those who fight for our freedom and ensure that these liberties are preserved for future generations.
Misusing freedom can lead to chaos where personal liberties are prioritized over the common good, causing harm to others and society at large. For example, when people exploit freedom of speech to spread hate or misinformation, it erodes trust and creates division. Similarly, when individuals misuse their freedom to act irresponsibly, like breaking laws or disregarding the environment, it can have lasting negative effects on communities and the planet. Thank you.
Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you for your attention. We hope this skit has inspired you to value and protect the freedom we enjoy.
Thank you, directors, our Juliet ma'am, Catherine ma'am, and the cast for that incredible performance. Let us appreciate the collective effort that went bringing this story to life.